Now, a team of the National Commission for Women visited the violence-hit areas in Murshidabad today to assess the impact of the violence and also inspect the rehabilitation efforts. Yesterday, the NCW and the NHRC delegation met the victims of the violence who had fled to the neighboring district of Malda and are living there in makeshift camps. Today, there was an NCW team present at the epicenter in Murshidabad itself. Well, let me go across to Tejshri, who's reporting for us from Murshidabad. Tejshri, you met some of the NCW members who had, of course, also spoken to the victims of the violence. There were a lot of harrowing tales that the victims had to recount to the NCW representatives. Tell us about what transpired.
Well, yes, absolutely. I am reporting from Dhulyan, and in fact, we'll get you each and every picture so as to what is happening over here. Remember that the NCW team just, in fact, is here taking the cognizance of the situation. But in fact, if you can hear me, Siddharth, I'll show you the visuals so as to what is happening over here. Let the cavalcade first, in fact, you know, for NCW chief over here, we'll in fact, ma'am, what would you like to say? What kind of, ma'am, what would you like to say? What is the situation over here, ma'am? क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
जो स्थिति मैंने यहाँ पे देखी है, ये बहुत ही महिलाओं को पीड़ा देने वाली, हम कल्पना नहीं कर सकते इतनी तकलीफ और इतना दुख दर्द उनको है। इसको देखते हुए मैं बहुत निशब्द हूँ, अभी कोई बात नहीं करूँगी, मैं निशब्द हूँ।
कर रहे हैं कई सारे जस्टिस की, हर एक महिला के पास अपनी एक कहानी है कहने के लिए।
बिल्कुल, हर एक ये कहानियाँ बहुत तकलीफ देने वाले हैं।
महिलाएं जो हैं उन्होंने आपके पैर भी पकड़े और आपके गले लग के रोई भी, क्या कुछ कहानी है उनकी?
मैं इस विषय में बाद में बात करूंगी, अभी मैं बहुत निशब्द हूँ। जो तकलीफें मैंने देखी है उसको मैं बयान नहीं कर पा रही हूँ।
So that was NCW chairperson in an exclusive conversation with Times Network, and in fact she herself is, you know, speechless. She is not having words to describe so as to what she has to in fact see, observe, witness and listen over here from the individuals, from the family members, in fact, who are present over here. And in fact we are reporting from Dhulyan village, where minute to minute we are giving you ground update. Now let this cavalcade be, in fact, you know, just vacate this entire area. Then we'll be showing you that how the women are standing over here holding placards in their hand. One by one, I'm starting from this particular lane where the violence broke out, and viewers just read and observe each and every face, every eye, so as to what they have to say. Justice for the individuals who have lost their lives. We want justice. Every woman, every person, from child to man to youth to youngsters. Keep on showing the visuals on my left, Arnab, and I'm sure the visuals. These women asking questions to the individuals so as to what was their fault, why they had to face exodus, why they are fleeing on their own land. आगे बढ़ेंगे हम और दिखाएंगे. We'll speak to them as well. We want BSF camp. We want BSF camp. On my right, show the visuals over here. Give us permanent BSF camp and save our life, please, sir. They are asking to save their lives on their own land. See, it's so traumatic. It's so, you know, saddening. It's so heartbreaking to see that individuals are, in fact, you know, saying that they are unsafe on their own land and they need justice. You see every placard, every poster. We are now homeless. Please save us. CBI and NIA should investigate this entire matter is what they are demanding. In fact, we'll also speak to these, you know, women over here who are present. इधर देखिए, इधर बात करेंगे इनसे. दीदी, आप बताइए, आपने लिखा हुआ है वी वांट जस्टिस, आपका भी घर जल गया था?
ঘর বাড়ি দোকান সব জ্বালিয়ে দিয়েছে আমাদের। আমরা কত কষ্ট করে ভাবে ছাদ দিয়ে, তিনতলা ছাদ দিয়ে পার হয়েছি, বাচ্চা কাচ্চা সব আমরা মারা যেতাম। লুটপাট করে নিয়েছে আমাদের, তারপরে আগুন লাগিয়ে দিয়েছে।
आप कहने के सब लूट लिया, घर और दुकान भी जला लिया, ऐसा कहने के?
দোকান ঘর বাড়ি সব আমাদের ইট ছুঁড়েছে, আমাদের স্বামীদের খুব আহত হয়েছে।
ছোট ছোট বাচ্চা সব, ছোট ছোট বাচ্চা।
आप क्या चाह रहे हैं कि BSF कैंप आप यहाँ पे चाह?
BSF ক্যাম্প চাই আমরা, পার্মানেন্ট না তো আমরা বাঁচবো কিভাবে?
क्यों आप यहाँ की पुलिस से सेफ नहीं फील?
আমরা পুলিশকে কেঁদে কেঁদে ফোন করছি, বাঁচাচ্ছে।
ये देखिए, see the picture that they are holding in their hand. In fact, this is a very disturbing visual, but what they had to face is more disturbing than that. 360-degree camera will show you. Times Now showing the exclusive pictures on ground. Will show you that how they are in fact demanding justice. Not just one woman, Siddharth. Every woman is asking asking the same question. So as to what was their fault, where they will go now. We are now homeless. Please save us. Read this message. Read the message that this little girl is holding in her hand. We want justice. There's this another child holding another message in her hand. हमें न्याय चाहिए. What we have done, BSF camp should be installed. BSF camp should be set up in this area. These children, these innocent faces, they have no future is what they feel like, because where they will be going. जी.
তো সাদা শিব আছে আমাদের ঠাকুর আমাদের গ্রামে রানীপুরে তো মোটা মাংস খেয়েছে দিয়ে পার্সি পার্সি করে চালিয়ে দিয়েছে
क्या कह रहे हैं?
Right.
So you see again the pictures. BSF camp चाहिए, the little ones. We
Okay.
want BSF camp. One more picture we'll show just in 30 seconds. Give us permanent BSF camp and save our life, please, sir. These are the demands that they are saying कि आपको BSF camp चाहिए.
हमें परमानेंटली बीएसएफ कैंप चाहिए, एनआईए जांच चाहिए.
क्यों चाहिए? यहाँ पर सब जगह सब कुछ जला दिया गया, किसी ने आपकी सुनी नहीं, ऐसा क्या?
नहीं, हमारे किसी ने नहीं सुना है. पुलिस का कोई हमने पुलिस ने कभी हमें मदद ही नहीं किया है. इसके लिए हमें एनआईए जांच चाहिए और बीएसएफ कैंप चाहिए.
So you see, if you keep on walking the lane, if I keep on walking this particular road, these stories will not end. The story is endless over here because each one of them have their own story to tell and the pain to tell. On my left and right again, you see the placards, the poster, the women sitting outside their houses because they are homeless. They don't have the house to sit. They don't have the house to sleep. They don't have the food to eat. Where will they go? आगे आइए अर्नब, आगे दिखाएंगे तस्वीरें. We'll show you. We demand CBI NIA investigation. I am walking just few meters away. I find a poster of justice. I find a woman holding placard. I find a woman asking question. The state government should certainly be held accountable so as to why they have to face all such atrocities. You see again these women are standing over here, all the women, and in fact remember at this particular point of time what the TMC neta says. TMC neta says कि हम यहाँ पर आए हैं तो यहाँ पर जो पलायन हुआ है वो स्टेट में ही हुआ है. This is what the statements are. We want permanent camp, again permanent camp, NIA CBI investigation. The houses were vandalized, each and every woman just saying the same question. आगे आएंगे आप?
Say something.
Yeah,
We are hopeless because some Muslim people attack us, and
Your
we
house
want.
was also burnt?
Yes. Here, there, Bedbona, Digri, all are affected. Some people, terrorists, attack us heavily, and Horogobindo Das and Chandan Das were brutally killed.
This is the family, the house of Harbindu Das.
And Chandan Das.
Chandan Das.
They are brutally killed in that area. Okay.
In that area.
That's
And
why.
where were you?
That's why we want a permanent BSF camp and we want justice
You want
for them.
So,
all of them.
Tejshri, multiple people, of course, speaking to you are saying that they want a permanent BSF camp as well. They also want an NIA investigation into the matter. These are really very worrying and harrowing claims that have been made by the victims of the violence. Now, it's been a week since the unimaginable violence displaced hundreds of Hindu families in Murshidabad, turning them into refugees in their own state. Yet Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has not visited the victims. In contrast, West Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose visited a relief camp in the neighboring district of Malda, and this triggered high drama. The media was initially barred from covering the governor's visit by the state police, sparking outrage among locals. Protesters broke through barricades demanding media access, leading to a 40-minute standoff before the police finally relented and allowed the cameras in. The incident has now raised serious questions, especially since the media was permitted to cover the NCW team's visit to the same camp just days earlier.
Well, the West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose is currently inside this shelter house, which is a school over here where the victims and the people who are forcefully fled from Murshidabad are over here. But the big question over here is that why media is not being allowed to cover the visit inside. The big question, when NCW went, media was allowed. When NHRC went, media was allowed. But here as of now, the media is not being allowed. Big question remains to be seen that why media is not allowed over here. The administration is saying that they need permission. What kind of permission they need when the governor is inside meeting the victims? There's a high voltage drama. The residents, the locals, all of them are also, in fact, here is a conflict-like situation between the cops and the local residents who are also, in fact, forcing the cops, in fact, to asking them to allow the media to go inside. We are also asking question so as to why the media is not allowed inside. Is the governor's visit who is going inside, who is meeting the family members, who is meeting the victims? Big question remains as to why not allowed.
request of my esteemed constitutional colleague will be respected. I'll also take that into account when I visit the field. I will, do whatever is required for me to understand the situation there. I'll keep it.